Fedora is one of the most powerful Linux variants ever, and you just click on the first link, which is getfedora.org, and you'll be shown this page. So it can be used for workstation, server, and Kubernetes. And if you want to download the workstation, then just click on Get Fedora Workstation in the bottom. To install Fedora, you have to download this media writer file, which basically is a 23 megabytes file, and if you run this, then it will start downloading the necessary files for the operating system, and furthermore, once done, it will start installing the operating system on your machine. So it basically saves bandwidth upfront, like it is easier to download this file, and after that you can just start installing the operating system, which will show different on-screen prompts or instructions to complete the installation. And this is available for Mac OS X, Windows, Linux, so basically all the major operating systems. Thanks a lot for watching our tutorial. In case you liked it, please leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.